Hello, this is Tesfai from the Tutorial Academy. This is English Oromo tutorial. This is my third video we are going through. Today we are going to deal with our first content, which is greeting. This video is requested by many of my followers on LinkedIn and also private emails to me. That's why I started the video. Welcome to this video. In this third video, we're going to see how we say greetings in Oromo and their rough meanings in English as well. So before we do that, we have to know these essential words, pronouns in Oromo, so that we can construct our greetings from them. So, me is an, Anna, Anna. You is ati, si, she. Is ishe, isi, or ishi. He is isa, isa. Them, this is plural for male, female, or mixed. So jara, jara. This can be single for a respected person, for a female or for a male, or for plural respected people, or for just ordinary people. Just like could be like the first, but mostly we use for respected people, for elderly. In Oromo, it's not like in English. We can't equally call our friends and other elderly people. For respected, for authorities, there is a respecting way of calling. So isan means I don't have any meaning for that in English that I call them for a respected person. Others, mine means ko, kan ko, his, kan isa, kan sa. When we write, it is two words kan isa, but when we talk, it is kan sa, just becomes one word. Kan she, kan ishe. Yours, this is exactly like in English. Yours is for a girl, for a female, sorry, for a male, or for two or three people. This kanke, 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 ke or kanke is okay, we can say any of them. Ours, kenya, kan kenya, kenya, kan kenya. Theirs, kanjara, kanjara, is a kind of replication of the previous slide, so you can match with that as well. Kanjara means theirs. In Oromo, this is in Oromo greeting. This is the most important thing that we have to know. The Oromo greetings are based on fayya and naga. Fayya and naga. Fayya is health. Naga is peace. So any greetings we make, we either ask naga or either ask fayya. So that means we are asking if they are peaceful and healthy as well at the same time. So that's what we have to know, and one of us requirements in greetings. So we can make our greeting statements. How are you? Atam, akam. Look at all these possible ways to ask for greetings. Okay. Akam, this is with akam. That is how are you? How. Akam fayya. Akam fayyada. That is with fayya. akkam nagaa, akkam nagaadha. Or we can say akkam fayyuma, akkam naguma. Any one of them is a greeting. Next, we can also use attam, the same way we use akkam. Akkam, that's enough by itself. Akkam fayyaa, attam fayyaadha, attam nagaadha with another word, attam nagaadha, attam naguma, attam fayyuma. These all are still the same as how are you, and they are sufficient to give greetings, ask greetings for somebody in Oromo. Okay? Akkam jirta. Jirta is existing. Jiraachuu, jira means existing. How are you? How are you? How are you be? Akkam jirta, another saying greeting. This is for a single person, for a female or a male. Akkam jirta, single and gender free. Akkam jirta. Akkam is gender free as well. All what we said in the previous slides are all gender free. Akkam fayyuma, akkam nagaadha, akkam fayyaadha. They are all gender free. Here we will see with gender and with gender free. Akkam jirta, akkam fayyaadha, akkam. This is single for male and for female. But when we come to others, akkam jirtu is plural, and it's also for respected person. Akkam jirtu. Jirtu is plural, could be male female, male male, male female female, any person more than one, or two and more. And also for a respectful person, could be a male or a female as well. Akkam bulte, that is specifically a morning greeting, like good morning. Akkam bulte, that is just like akkam jirta, single for male and female. Akkam bultani, this is plural and for a respected person. Akkam bulte is a single. Akkam bultani is a good morning for a plural or for a person we respect. Akkam jirta, nagaa jirta. We can say nagaa jirta, fayyaa jirta. We can mix up with those words we see. Health and peace. Nagaa jirta. Jirta is for a single person, as we've seen. Nagaa jirtu, as for plural as well. We can ask like that in respect. So we are going to say to an old lady of 70, where our age is less than that, we can only say akkam jirtu or nagaa jirtu. We can't akkam jirta or nagaa bulte for an elderly person. Very different from English. Okay, let's see a specific greeting is between two people. Akkam jirta. So that's a question from the first person. Ani nagaa. Ati hoo akkami? Anis nagaa. Galatoomi. Maaloo maatii keetti nagaa naa himi. Tole nan hima. Short between two people. Akkam jirta? Ani nagaa. Ati hoo akkam? Ani nagaadha. Galatoomi. Then other communication can proceed, but when they depart. This is normally that what somebody can say, malo matiketti naganaimi. Malo means please. Or you can leave it out. Matiketti nagana dami. Matiketti nagana himi. Tole nan hima. So that greeting is very short but very sufficient. So for today I have this. Follow them, repeatedly see them, ask questions, and we will be taking on from this. There are lots of more videos on greetings. Okay, I will learn more. For now, that will be enough. This video series is deliberately short so that you can practice, you can exercise. Please do so. Thank you very much for being with me. Bye for now.